Hey all, today I will like to discuss the most important and most interesting topic is how to be happy. See, we daily do our work, we finish off the work, and by the end of the day, we ask one question: Are we happy? So, what do you mean by happiness? See, happiness is not same for everyone, right? For me, it can be happiness just having my dream job, or for some other one, it could be just sitting at pace and be happy with what he has. So, happiness cannot be same for everyone. It is different for everyone. Now, two examples here I would like to give about happiness. Uh, we all are happy, but we cannot sustain that happiness for long. Now why that happens is, first, see, life all around us cannot be the way we want it, right? For example, we are surrounded by living things and materialistic things. Now one example I will like to add is about non-living thing, or you can say a material thing. Suppose I'm happy and joyful, that I want, example, a machine or a mixture to work for 8 to 10 years for me, but suddenly that machine has stopped working for me, and suddenly within 5 years it has stopped working properly. So suddenly that joyfulness is converted into unpleasantness. Okay, this is example of a material thing. And second is, so life, first one is like life cannot happen all the way we want it. It will happen the way it has to be. Now second is, suppose if you're working in a company and your boss has given you some work, and you just joyfully accepted that work and you start doing it, but within some time period, your colleague is coming, or some external entity is coming and telling you, hey dear, this is not a part of your work. So suddenly you started thinking over it, and you suddenly realized that this is, should I do it or not. That joyfulness will slowly get converted into unpleasantness. Okay, so uh, whatever happens within you has to be determined by you, not by others. Okay, so if you are determining whatever is happening within you, definitely you will be happy. Now here I will like to give few tips on how to stay happy. Now first is smile. Just smiling a day will definitely make you happy. Just look in the mirror and smile at yourself will also make you happy, or smiling at others will definitely make you happy. Then second is exercise. Exercise is so much important. We all are just having physical activity, but mentally we are not exercising ourselves, so mental exercise is also necessary. Third is be grateful. You have to be grateful to what we have. Okay, start acknowledging the things with small little things. Suppose if you are going out and your neighbor is waving at you, just be grateful to that. Or your co-worker is just offering a cup of tea, just be grateful to that. Or you are being loved by others, be grateful to that. That will also make you happy. Now next is see friends. By seeing your friends or just having a long phone call chat will also make you happy. But now in adulthood, it is not possible for all of us to have so many friends all around us, as we all are busy with our work. So at least having one or two meaningful friends will also do the same. Next is, give a compliment. You have to compliment others. Okay, and it will not cost anything to you. So just complimenting and starting one day, it will boost your inner happiness. Next is, see the nature. Go and see the nature. So spending some time, 50 minutes or 1 hour or 10 minutes, whatever time you can, you just go and see and meditate yourself. That will also make you happy. And next is, lastly I will like to add is, be remove all your grudges. See, you have to leave all your grudges inside you. So leaving the grudges will also make make you happy. So I hope you like this video. So do like, share and subscribe. Till then, bye. See you.